I'm going to show you a neat little tool that I've got that some people love and some people will pretend to hate because they'll give you a bunch of grief for not loading up your magazines with your thumbs and your fingers. But as far as I'm concerned, if there's a tool to make that easier, I'm all about it. So it's called an autoloader, or some people might refer to it as a speed loader. But for a semi-automatic magazine like this one, jamming those rounds in there, it can be tiring after a while. It can be painful after a little while. And on a new magazine, a stiff spring inside of that magazine makes it really tough, especially when you start getting a few rounds in there. I have a little tool, I guess you could call it a tool, maybe you call it a gadget, that allows for fast and easy loading of most semi-automatic magazines. And it is called, it is called UpLULA. I know that's a weird name, but that's what it's called. I didn't name it. And it's a little device that allows you to quickly and more easily load rounds into a semi-auto magazine. And this will do everything from 380 ACP, we showed those in the last video. It's a smaller version of the 9mm, also known as 9mm short, all the way up to a 45 caliber, I believe, in this one little guy here. So lots and lots of different magazines can be loaded up with this little UpLULA. My wife got this one for me, and she decided that it was less likely that somebody would steal it at the gun range if she got a pink one. So thank you, wife. All right, UpLULA. The UpLULA allows you, get these out of the way. The UpLULA allows you to take the thumb pressure out of the equation. So all you have to do, you take your UpLULA, you see this metal piece right there? That is what is actually gonna push the rounds down into the magazine. So you do have to put it in the right direction. And again, as you get used to it, you'll probably do it backwards a few times. So the back of the magazine goes in the back of the UpLULA, and it tells you right here the direction that your cartridge should be pointing. Pretty cool. So we slip it on top of the magazine, like so. So the idea is that this little metal piece helps push down either the follower or the round that's already in there. So we get it lined up, we squeeze with our thumb, and I do apologize if the camera gets a little shaky while we're doing this. We squeeze with the thumb, we push down, it pushes the follower down, we drop the cartridge in, and then we let it go up and open at the same time. The idea here is so that you can do this quickly. So we squeeze, we push down, we drop the next round in. We let go, and it comes back out again. Well, it resets, if you will. Squeeze, down, in, let go. That's really easy. It is perfectly designed for the width of these magazines. And some are going to be skinnier than others. That's why the little metal piece inside of the UpLULA is pretty skinny. It doesn't need to be thick. So it'll allow you to use this device with lots of different magazines. So highly recommend the UpLULA. I don't know if that's the name of the device or the name of the company, but UpLULA, you can find them at most gun shops. And they aren't cheap. They're like $30. But I'll tell you, they are worth every penny as far as I'm concerned. So get yourself an UpLULA. I hope you come back and see us again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends. We got our first couple of comments on a video the other day, which was really exciting. Thank you for the feedback, by the way, commenter. If you have ideas for new videos, shoot them down in the comments. I'm totally open to your feedback as well. Shoot those in the comments. And if you liked what you saw, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.